This video, I just want to address, one observation of mine which I've had for some time. I somehow feel that a lot of us AdSense publishers, and especially the ones who create videos on YouTube for ourselves or for our clients, for generating AdSense revenues. I somehow feel that YouTube is probably not harnessing the overall space, the screen space which is available for advertisements to the extent that it possibly can. Now, if you're a YouTube partner or an AdSense publisher, you would know the way the ads appear, because you definitely are more focused and towards that. You see that little square on the right side of the video screen, as well as you have a little bar at the bottom. I know some people out there, those who are not interested in advertising, or on these videos. So I know many even hate that. But look at it from our point of view. Those who develop content for this particular purpose, that revenue be generated to for us. It's critical. It's vital that there are more and more avenues for us to have advertisements being displayed, which in turn magnifies the chances of our increasing our revenues. So if there are more ads being displayed, naturally there's a bigger chance that a viewer would actually click on one of those ads. I'll give you specific instances. What I feel on the right side, instead of two squares, you can probably have maybe a series of links. Each one is an ad, like Google has these text ads, or you can have one square with a series of text ads on top. You can do that, and then at the bottom you can actually have probably more than that. Just that little bit of an ad, you can have probably multiple ads there. That's something which I feel. And then I also feel often that there's that big bar on top which comes only on the home screen of YouTube. Why not have it on every video page? If you can have a big, like the top bar, which is above the video space, but actually more the entire page. So it's more than just the area of the video, but it's actually the entire page, on top. If you have a horizontal bar. So I think if that is displayed, that's another way. And sometimes I feel the area on the left side of the video, often it seems to be just empty, wherein there's potential for advertisements to be displayed that side as well. So I'm just trying to say that there is more scope for advertisements to be displayed, which will definitely be an additional incentive for us publishers to look ahead or look forward to creating content on YouTube, whereby we can actually, from each video, the more we are able to harness, and then there's more potential for clicks to be generated, for advertisements to be displayed. Everything, it's going to work in our own interest, and at the end of it all, Google obviously stands to benefit. There are more ads being displayed, subsequently more clicks happening, so there's more revenue coming to Google. So I think it's a win-win situation for everyone. And again, like I've mentioned in another video of mine, if YouTube and Google focus on advertising themselves in a really big way, I think there's nothing which is stopping them from getting more clients than what they have at the moment. And one thing which I particularly feel is that at a regional level, especially here in India, I feel there's much more scope for advertising than what is being seen at the moment. I feel there are a lot of local clients who are not being tapped at all. They're big players, they're big regional players within the country or within a particular region, even within a particular city. But nonetheless, they're quite big. There are retail chains, there are food chains, there are restaurants. If I live in a particular area, there are restaurants around me which can be targeted, and I'm sure for me, for them, I am quite a good target, wherein they should be willing to pay a good amount for a click which is generated by, say, somebody like me or people in the vicinity, because they are the people who are likely to go to that outlet. So targeted advertising in any case is something which Google excels in, is a master of. But I just feel that the total quantum of advertisers can be increased, in a big way, and that space in and around the YouTube video can probably be enhanced and probably made extracted more in terms of more advertisements being displayed. I hope people have something to say about this, and please feel free to share your comments, share your ideas, share your thoughts on this. Thank you so much.